Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Veronica back here. So if you guys would like to see how I do my everyday makeup look, you already know what to do. Stay tuned and please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, comment, include notification bell to be notified every single time that I update a new video. So let's just go ahead and start with the video. Can we just take a second and say hi to all my new and old subscribers? So welcome all of you guys. Now let's just go ahead and start with my brows. I know that my brows take longer, but on this video I decided to show you guys how I do my brows anyways. So right now I'm using my Essence Cosmetics brows pencil, and this one is in the shade dark brown. So it doesn't matter what products I use, I always make sure that my products is in the shade dark brown. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill any empty spot that I have on my brows. That's the only thing that I do to my brows. And after that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use one of my favorite concealers, and I'm using my elf concealer, and I'm gonna use that one on the bottom of my brows, as you guys can see. And after that I'm gonna take any of my blending brush. You can use even an eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm gonna blend everything out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean the top part of my brows with Allegro Pro concealer. I think the shade that I'm using is Found. And yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing. After that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with my skin. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna refresh my face with my setting spray, and after that I'm gonna use my primer. The primer that I'm using, I believe is from L'Oreal Mercier, and I'm gonna prime my skin with it. I really love this primer, so it's really nice. So now I'm gonna use my first foundation because I'm gonna be using two foundation today. This one, as you guys can see, is dark, and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna blend everything out very nice with my small brush. This is the brush that I use to clean my brows with. So yeah, and after that I'm gonna use my MAC foundation. Like how I said, all the products gonna be down below in the description box. So now I'm blending because, as you guys can see, I'm looking a little bit crazy. I don't like to use brush. Sometimes I do, but I don't like to use brush. I prefer to blend my makeup with my beauty blender. Most of the time I use beauty blender instead of a brush, but sometimes I use both. So in this occasion I was using my beauty blender instead of a brush. So yeah, there is nothing wrong using a brush, so you can use whatever you like. Just I'm saying that. Now I'm using my concealer, and the one that I'm using is still the same concealer that I used to clean my brows. Is the elf concealer. And also, as you guys can tell, I'm applying my concealer a little bit different. That's because I like to apply my concealer this ways now instead of how I used to do it before. If you guys are my old subscribers, you guys know how I used to apply my concealer before, but this is the new way that I apply my concealer, and I'm using the same damn beauty blender to blend everything out very nice. As you guys can see, I really love the consistency of this concealer, and I also love that it doesn't leave you with a flashback or anything like that underneath your eyes. And I think it's amazing. It also is really affordable, so I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite products at the moment, and honestly I'm in love with this concealer. I'm gonna finish to blend everything out very nice, as you guys can see. And after blending, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly citizen powder. This citizen powder is kind of like love and hate, because when I apply it at the first time I don't like it, but I love the result. Like I love the end result, and honestly I think that's the one thing that made me keep using that citizen powder. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly bronzer. You guys gonna see a lot of Anastasia Beverly products here because I love the brand and I love their products, and honestly I really love this bronzer. As you guys can see, you don't even need a contour with this bronzer. So I'm gonna also use the same bronzer to contour my nose. As you guys can see, I always go a little bit crazy with my bronzer because I love a lot of bronzer. So yeah, just keep that on mind that I love a lot of bronzer. Now I'm using this bronzer from my black radiant palette, and I'm gonna apply that on my eyes to have like a natural eye color. As you guys can see, on my daily basic makeup look I don't use eyeshadow. This is the only thing that I use on my eyes. And now I'm using my Essence Cosmetic waterproof eyeliner. Like, this eyeliner is really nice and it's just $3. Like, it's unbelievable how amazing this eyeliner is. So I'm gonna do my wing. As you guys can see, for those who know me, you guys know that I can do my makeup without having even a small wing. I love a wing, and when I do my everyday makeup, I always do like a big and a big really nice wing, because that's how I love my eye makeup. And also I love big bold lashes, because that just change your eyes and give you like a different look in your eyes. So it just change the shape of your eyes. So when I'm saying that you can change the shape of your eyes with your eyeliner, like, I mean it. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and use a second citizen powder. This one is from Hair Candy, and I love it because I'm gonna bright underneath my eyes and also on those spots that I like to bright. And I'm also using the same citizen powder to clean my bronzer, as you guys can see. And now everything looks nice and beautiful, just like how I want it. And for blush, I love going with this cargo blush. This is one of my favorite blush at the moment, beside the NYX Cosmetic ombre blush. I really love this blush. I love the peachy color, and I think it's really nice. This is something that I always do when I do my makeup, and I don't highly recommend it, especially if it's your first time. You can use a brush, or you can just use a pencil black eyeliner. So I'm gonna finish to touch my eyes, because as you guys can see, we are getting to the end of this look. So now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm using this brown lip pencil that I got from Walmart. I don't even remember the name of this brand, but like how I said, all the products gonna be down below. I really love very neutral lip combo. I don't like my lip to be bright. I don't like bright color for my everyday makeup, so that's why I always go with this one. And for today, I'm using the L'Oreal lipstick, and with the Anastasia Beverly lipstick on top. So as you guys can see, this one is looking a little bit more like pinky. It's a really nice neutral pinky look. I really love it, but I won't wear it like that by itself, just me. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply my Anastasia Beverly lipstick. I think this shade is called Aston, and I'm gonna finish to blend everything. And basically that's the end of this look. So as you guys can see, this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. One more time, let me know, comment below what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.